Welcome! Today I'll show you how to transfer apps to SD card into a Samsung Galaxy A10. First step, go into Settings and open Apps option, this one. Go into, and here you choose installed application, not standard. So, for example, maybe I don't know, maybe this one, Polsat News. So choose application and go into storage. Oh yes, and here we got storage use. So now the internal storage used. So got change, click to button and click and choose, for example, SD card. And now export Polsat News, click move and wait a second for transfer. And now we transferred Polsat News into SD card as storage used, external storage. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.